In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Eventbrite tickets. You might think of forwarding these tickets like an email attachment, but Eventbrite works a bit differently. Instead of directly forwarding, you change or assign the ticket to another person. Let's dive into the details. First, log into your Eventbrite account. This is your gateway to managing your event tickets. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your event orders and make necessary changes. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is important because it protects your event access. Next up, go to the tickets section. This is where you'll find all the details about the events you've purchased tickets for. From here, you can manage and modify your tickets as needed. It's essential because this is the central hub for all your ticket transactions on Eventbrite. After that, select the order you want to change. This step is crucial because it ensures you are modifying the correct ticket. Double-check the event name and date to avoid any mistakes. Once you're sure, click on Edit. This allows you to update the order information associated with that ticket. Now, you need to change the name and email address to those of the new person. This is the core of the process. By updating these details, you're effectively assigning the ticket to someone else. Make sure you have the correct spelling and email address. Accuracy here is key to ensuring the new holder receives the ticket without issues. Once you've entered the new details, click Save. This action confirms your changes and updates the ticket information. After saving, the new person will receive an email with the ticket. They will need to claim it, which means they acknowledge the transfer and take ownership of the ticket. At this point, let's discuss some important limitations. Although you can change the ticket holder's details, you cannot fully transfer ownership between accounts. This means the ticket remains tied to the original buyer's order. It's crucial to understand this, as it might affect how the ticket is managed later. Additionally, not all events allow edits. This depends on the event organizer's settings. Some organizers may restrict changes to maintain control over their event attendance. It's always a good idea to check the event's specific rules before attempting any modifications. Furthermore, some tickets cannot be changed. This includes free tickets, checked-in tickets, or those for restricted events. Knowing these limitations can save you time and prevent any last-minute issues. With that ready, you're now equipped to forward Eventbrite tickets effectively. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transition of the ticket to the new holder. Always double-check your changes and remember to communicate with the new ticket holder about the claiming process. Forwarding tickets in this manner not only helps you, but also ensures the event organizer maintains accurate attendance records. This little step can save you a lot of time and potential confusion later. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your event.